folks, welcome to a little nature lesson from Nature Northwest.
This is Mud and I'm Meg.
Why don't you try this little activity at your house? It's the life cycle of a butterfly. First, the butterfly lays its eggs on a leaf. Then, after a while, the eggs turn into a very hungry caterpillar.
Yes, I caught this caterpillar earlier on by shaking the bushes. And the caterpillar eats all of the leaf. Yum, 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 yum.
Then the caterpillar makes a chrysalis.
Yes, and then the most amazing thing happens. The caterpillar inside the chrysalis turns into a beautiful butterfly.
And then the butterfly goes off looking for beautiful flowers, just like this one. Then the cycle starts all over again. The butterfly lays its eggs, the caterpillar comes, eats loads of food, makes a chrysalis, and then it turns into a butterfly in the chrysalis and goes off looking for flowers. Why don't you try and make a butterfly life cycle in your garden? I hope it's going to be fun.
Come back soon.